Hello teachers, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is very important and this video is really helpful for the new teachers. In this video, I am going to share sentences which are really helpful at the time of taking our students to the assembly ground. As a teacher, various commands and instructions we have to give our students. So here in this video, you will get all the useful sentences according to the sequences. So let's start. Good morning everyone. Make a line and go to the assembly ground. Good morning everyone. I would like to welcome you all to the morning assembly. Get ready for the morning assembly. Come fast, get into the line quickly. Make your line according to your height. Take one hand distance. Let's make your line, hurry up. Stand straight in the line. Stand straight, nobody will talk. Come forward, Nitin. Don't talk in the assembly line. Join your hands and close your eyes. Why are you talking in the line? Who is going to tell the thought of the day? Who is going to say the quiz? Read loudly, Rohan, or say it loudly. The students at the last line, they cannot hear you properly. Eyes to the front. Put down your hands. Please pay attention. Come and meet me after the assembly. This sentence is for some students when we have something to talk with the children but not in the assembly. That time you can use the sentences. Asha, why did not you wear your shoes today? Rohini, please go and check your classroom. Call them for prayer. Wait here until the assembly is over. Whose turn is it for prayer today? Take your pledge position. Don't talk, listen carefully. I would like to request our principal sir, please come and say a few words to the children. Silence everyone. Get ready for the national anthem. Have a nice day everyone. Now go to your respective classes. Student, don't run, go slowly, don't push anyone. So that's all about today's video. I hope you found this video helpful for you. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video with a fresh topic. Till then, take care, goodbye and happy teaching.